5.
Hi, my name is Anya. Welcome to Notes from the 6th grade, the program that tells you everything you need to know about 6th graders. Today, my special guest is Anthony, who will be talking to us about his experience in baseball, where he pitched a no-hitter. Welcome, Anthony. Also joining us in our live studio audience is Class 607. Welcome, 607. What kind of game was it exactly?
It was a championship game, and it felt good, like nerve-wracking because it was our first championship game as a team.
Who are you with, and what team do you play for?
I was playing for the Mill Basin Braves. We were a really good team. We went undefeated. And I was with my dad, my mom, and my little brother, Mikey.
And what team were you going against?
We were going against the Brooklyn Bulldogs. They're a good team, but they're not the best team, so it was like an easy win.
I think we have a question from our live studio audience.
What was your feelings going into the game, and did they change throughout it?
It did change throughout it because going into the game, I had no idea I was going to throw it. And then I was calm and all that, but then maybe the 4th inning into the game, I was getting a little nervous because it was late in the game and they were seeing what I was pitching, so I was scared they were going to hit it and ruin it.
How did your team react to that?
The team was excited for me, and because it was our first no-hitter too, and I got moment of the year, so of course they were excited and they tackled me on the mound.
Well, that's all the time we have today. Please join us next time on Notes from the 6th grade. I'm Anya. Goodbye for now.